Welcome to Tech Logics. Today, we're thrilled to bring you a detailed and focused unboxing of the CP PLUS CP-Z45Q 4MP Quad HD Wi-Fi CCTV camera, one of the most versatile and feature-rich 360-degree pan-tilt outdoor smart security cameras available for home and commercial use. Right from the moment you open the sturdy, well-designed retail box, you're greeted with a clean and professional layout. The main attraction is the sleek, modern-looking CP-Z45Q camera itself, a compact yet powerful unit finished in classic white with black accents, featuring the signature motorized dome head for 360-degree pan and 96-degree tilt movement. Built tough for outdoor conditions, this camera proudly displays its IP66 weatherproof rating right on the body, promising reliable performance in rain, dust, heat, or humidity. Inside the box, you'll find the high-quality USB power adapter with a generous length cable, perfect for reaching outdoor power points without extra extensions. The adapter has a solid, durable housing and features the familiar connector that plugs securely into the camera's weatherproof power port. Next comes the robust metal mounting bracket, pre-drilled and adjustable, along with a complete set of stainless steel screws, wall plugs, and a handy paper drill template that makes precise installation a breeze, even on brick or concrete surfaces. Everything is thoughtfully packed in separate compartments or anti-static bags to prevent scratches during shipping. As you lift out each item, it's clear that CP Plus has prioritized user convenience. No need to hunt for extra screws, adapters, or waterproofing tape. Almost everything required for a clean, professional outdoor mount is right here. The entire unboxing experience feels premium and reassuring, giving you confidence that this is a serious security investment built for Indian homes, farms, gates, gardens, and shops. Now, let's talk about what makes this camera truly stand out once powered on. With 4MP Quad HD resolution, 2560 by 1440, you get noticeably sharper and more detailed footage compared to regular 1080p cameras, perfect for identifying faces, vehicle numbers, or suspicious activity even from a distance. The standout night performance comes from its dual lighting system. 12 powerful white LEDs deliver vibrant full-color night vision up to 8 to 10 meters, while the IR LEDs extend clear black and white visibility up to 15 meters, ensuring 24/7 crystal-clear monitoring day or night. Add the motorized 360-degree pan and 96-degree tilt, and you can remotely control the view to eliminate blind spots completely. Security goes beyond just video with CTC Cyber Secure technology featuring secure boot, end-to-end encryption, and anti-tamper firmware to protect your footage from hackers. You'll also love the smart human detection, with reduced false alerts, instant smartphone push notifications, two-way audio, talk and listen through built-in mic and speaker, and the loud built-in siren that can be triggered manually or automatically to scare away intruders, turning passive surveillance into active protection. This unboxing leaves you excited to get the CP-Z45Q mounted and connected. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos covering full installation, app setup, EasyCam Plus app, Wi-Fi configuration, and deep dives into all these intelligent features. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed outdoor Wi-Fi camera with pan-tilt freedom and modern smart security, the CP PLUS CP-Z45Q is definitely worth considering.